Welcome to Fraqtals Printing. I'm Swin Da Print God. And right here we're working on this 3-color print flash print on a black shirt. So we're gonna do a white underbase on it. Then we come with the red and the gold. It's gonna be pretty dope. It's real simple work with the fractals, so check it out. Stay tuned. We'll go. Hey, so there you got it right there. Fraqtals print flash print with a 3-color design. Makes it pretty easy when you got like 3 people on the machine working it. You know what I mean? Light work. Holla at us. Check out fraqtals.com for purchase and more info. Woo woo.